Hello. My boyfriend is currently sleeping, so who knows how this will sound. Makeup. Everyday makeup. So beautiful. Like. Okay, now we can start with makeup. What do I start with? I don't know. The first thing to do is probably base. Or eyebrows. Or base. Eyebrows. Eyebrows. Eyebrows? Eyebrows. I'm still cheap, so we're still using eyeshadow and Lauder. Looks like. For base, I have a foundation by something that I got from a friend because it doesn't fit her. So we're just using it like we would use concealer. But I don't own concealer. I am not a rich person. I'm gonna powder it with powder foundation because I prefer powder foundation to normal foundation because it's cheaper and it's harder to fuck up with powder foundation. You just kind of rub it in and hope. Base. For contouring, I'm gonna use eyeshadows. Mostly like brown, brown, brown. Because I don't care about warm colors. I am actually warm toned, but I don't use warm colors because I want to look dead. More cider. It is Norwegian. And it's delicious. For my eyeshadow, we're just gonna do some orange because why not? We have orange, so we're gonna go for orange. And we're simply just gonna cover the entire eye with as much orange as we can. We're also gonna go with orange under the eye. Now you look like a crazy person, so you're gonna add a purpley dark color. We wanna look like we're kinda rotting away. Now like, this looks like shit. Oh yeah, what's the point? We're just gonna deepen it a little bit more on the edges of the eye. Our basic eyeshadow is done. So now we're gonna dip our finger in some water, dip it in a shimmery, peachy, whatever color, and just under the brows we're gonna go in a little like pale neutral color. We're gonna add a little bit of shimmer in the corner. Gonna highlight the rest of the face. Next we have the very important step of a line on the nose. I prefer red. If you have anything red to do this with, that would be best, but I only have a blue. Just gonna draw a line. And that's basically our makeup done. I know! So fast! So beautiful! So big! And some lashes and lipstick. So yeah, that was my super fast everyday makeup tutorial. And I hope you liked it. Cheers!